ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Look, I can't go.
Hey, Mick and Mim. Working here with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh no! We're out! Everybody in the car! Oh! It's like a roller coaster.
It'll be fine, you're fine.
Hooray, hooray, hooray. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There they are!
It's not okay. What the heck? What the heck? Who transported us? Who transported us? It's Pluto!
Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's
Something about to get through! We did it! Who wants to?
Baking soda factory. Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of
Once
these
it's back
things?
into position.
I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Oh, yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride. Not with you by my side. This times when we are good and nothing can stop us now.
That's cool. Look at these pretty flowers. Pretty soon we're gonna have to put your friends back, okay? Because then we're not gonna have time, okay? When we start getting your friends back, okay?
Look at your shoes.
Look at
Yeah, yeah. We did it! Yay!